Hello everybody, welcome to InstaFollowers.co YouTube channel. Today we will talk about why you should be buying Clubhouse room visitors and how you can buy it. As you can imagine, Clubhouse is a very promising platform where you can share your ideas. It is an invite-only platform and it is an audio-based platform, and it is a very popular in a strong uptrend lately. So if you want to take part in this miracle, then make sure that you buy some room visitors as well if you want to let your voice be heard among more and more people. And the steps are very easy. So you might be thinking, what is a room visitor? As you can see here, Clubhouse room visitors are users who visit a chat room to join the conversation. As you can imagine, these people may also be referred to as chat room audiences. So if you want to buy them, all you need to do is to go over here and paste your room link over here. And after you do that, with the drop down menu, you can select how many room visitors that you want to buy. If you want to buy hundreds of them, 250, you can choose them. And then you can see the estimated shipment time over here. After you do that, you can also see the price. You can click on buy now or add to cart. If you click on add to cart, you can continue shopping. If you click on buy now, then you can end the process and your room visitors will be delivered to you in a very short time. If you have other questions, make sure that you ask them to our live support, which is available 24/7. Our payment methods are very secure, which you will also see, and also we provide a refund guarantee as well. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.
We interrupt this video for a very important yet very brief introduction for our website instafollowers.co. You can buy Instagram followers with instant delivery in 2020. But before we tell you how, let us talk about our features and options. You can buy Instagram likes, followers, views, comments, and reels on instafollowers.co. You can also buy backlinks from quality websites. We also provide services from TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and SoundCloud, and many more. You may have several questions in mind, like why are Instagram followers important? Because buying Instagram followers helps your account get more visibility, since Instagram has more than 1 billion users around the world, and it is one of the most popular social media platforms. There is no doubt that it is a highly preferred platform nowadays because it offers a very user-friendly interface. Although it was seen as a copy of the famous Snapchat back in the day, Instagram developed itself very quickly. It offered so many features that people can't even stay away from using. In addition, Instagram came up with so many creative features that even caught Facebook's interest. You may have further questions like key reasons to buy Instagram followers. When we started using social media in its early times, it was purely for entertainment. Yet, social media is not just about that anymore. Today, we can see many brands, companies, and other organizations using social media for profit purposes. Since Instagram became a popular platform, we can see various types of uses of it, either for entertainment or for business purposes. And if your purpose is to make money on Instagram, you don't have to have a business profile at all. You can be an influencer with your personal profile as well. Since Instagram offers short content such as content videos, influencing on Instagram is not difficult. In fact, it is fun. Benefits of buying Instagram followers. There are many benefits of buying Instagram followers. Buying followers will save you time and grow your account. You may desire to do it in an organic way. However, it is not always possible. Let's say you have opened a souvenir shop and you want to promote it. Instagram is a perfect way to do so. However, you have made a lot of investment for that store and you want to start making money as soon as possible. If you try to gain followers organically, you will need to spend time on it between all your work. That is why buying Instagram followers will help you, but how? We have three main important things that we keep in mind, like visibility, trust, and organic followers. Let's talk about visibility first. Purchasing Instagram followers will rapidly increase your visibility on the app. What does visibility mean on Instagram, you may ask? It is having the chance to show your content to more people. Trust. When you buy Instagram followers, you are not just increasing the number of followers you have, you also gain the trust of people who visit your profile. Purchasing is very simple. All you need to do is click the Buy Instagram Followers page, enter your username in the sections, choose the quantity of followers you want, click the Buy Now, Add to Cart button, click the Payment button, select the payment methods that are 100% secure, and done. That's all you need to know. Now we can continue with our video. Thank you for listening. Enjoy.